down. You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
You're under arrest. You're arrested.
3 upstanding citizens who got themselves into trouble at the airport. On April 29, 2021, Broward County deputies hurried to Fort Lauderdale Airport, responding to an alleged assault in the Spirit Airlines terminal. A worried caller reported 3 females battering a male passenger with a hamburger. Talk about wasting food in the worst way possible.
Oh, I was waiting in line too. I said, no, you weren't. You were out the gate. And she just kept coming back at me and started disrespecting me in front of my kids. Okay, in front of my family. Her friend right there, the little short one, rough for me, started disrespecting me in front of my kids. Okay, talking rough and rude. My kids were there, the witnesses. She came off the road, she started talking about, you better get the fuck on my face, this and that, this and that.
Hey,
she wasn't even here, see?
What's wrong with your neck?
Hey, stop.
Hey,
Go back.
what?
You get dragged.
She wasn't even over here. This man is clearly on drugs.
She's in my face.
This man is clearly on drugs.
All right, that's fine.
This
So
man
back
is
up.
clearly on
Back up.
drugs. So y'all letting that fly. What could he
We haven't
write?
done anything. Back up. Back up.
Arriving on scene, officers observed the described group of women locked in a screaming match with the man. The man explained that he was waiting in line for a Burger King carry-out with his family.
Back up.
Don't even say anything to him. Don't even say anything. Racist ass was in my face. Y'all let him walk around here like that. When he pull out some start shooting shit out.
Hey, ma'am, I didn't even get a chance to ask you what happened. I didn't even ask you what happened.
You should do that. You should
Well,
do that
why
instead
don't
of
you
being in
wait a
our
minute?
face.
Stop jumping
You
on
should
me.
do that instead of being in our face.
What?
You should do that
All
instead
right.
of being in our face.
All right. Hey, did they order?
We did order food.
Okay. Hey, are they with you? Hey, are you guys all together?
We're not all together because we're
Hey, she calms down or I throw her out.
She's fine.
No, she's not fine.
She is fine.
No.
No, I am fine.
Lady, mama,
Exactly. I'm going over there.
Out of nowhere, the 3 women rudely cut ahead in line. Politely objected, one lashed out in response by weaponizing her whopper. Lettuce, cheese and patty flying, she whipped the burger at his head. Stunned with special sauce dripping down his face, the man alerted police.
It happened with me. My wife was here. Okay. My 2 kids were with me. We were in line. Now they have that black girl thing. So I'm about to be next. The short girl comes and just goes right to the bar and starts doing that. I said, ma'am, we're in line here. She ignored me at first time. I said, excuse me, ma'am, we're in line here. She said, oh, no, I was in line. I said, ma'am, you weren't in line. You were all here. Oh, yes, I was. I stepped out and came back in. I said, no, you weren't. And she just started getting loud and rude
She
with
was
me.
like, what you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? I'm here now. You wanna talk to me?
She
in
said
face?
that
She
to
was
me.
like that in
So
front
my
of
2
me.
kids turned around, saw violence and started walking away. And she just kept it on like, out of my face, ain't gonna do shit, blah, blah, blah. So, and you see how it's acting up now. And it was only the short one there. Her tall friend just showed up, just now. And now it's like a rivalry. The stewardesses were here and all that, they said it. So I left in the room, I came back over here, you know. So my wife wanted to get up with my daughter to go there to get something to eat, and then it started with her. It started with her like, "What are you looking at?" You saw it. It just happened.
And when I tried to go over there and ask what was going on, I was wanting to ask the cashier. She started saying, "Oh," and she got in our face. I'm like, "Hey, let me
That's
get
what she did to us. Yeah, same thing. Same thing she did to us.
All right, let me try to calm him down. Just have a seat over here.
That's why we want to
Well, what time's your flight leave?
As deputies interviewed witnesses to verify events, 2 of the offending females approached, continuing their verbal attacks on the victim. They also accused the man of intoxication, despite 0 evidence beyond the women's claims.
You're running from us like we're doing something to you. We're standing there.
always want to feel threatened by your voice. Your voice is high for them.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's
The officers focused on de-escalating the situation through non-violent crisis intervention tactics, But cooperating with the investigation wasn't on the menu for these 3 disorderly passengers.
Oil, Gatorade, and shit. Look, get the bag. Drop in it, get the bag. Drop in it, just get the bag. Lauren, just chill. Lauren, chill. We're in Florida. Are we surprised? I'm not. Y'all are racist. Son, for the white man that's looking at me. Jaffine, please calm down. Like you know they thinking to do some shit to us. Please calm the down.
Hey, back up.
She's giving me
I don't
my
care.
phone.
Back up.
We're gonna give her all this stuff.
Back up. Back up.
Translate Caucasoid ass mother.
Back up.
Caucasoid.
Back up.
Caucasoid.
All right.
You're a Caucasoid. No, you're a place.
Okay.
You don't know you're a
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
That's what
Enough. You're under arrest. Put kilts on her. Enough.
I'm a melon. There's nothing wrong with that. You a Caucasoid. You're a Caucasoid.
The increasing nature of aggression, plus the women's refusal to calm down, left the deputies no choice but to restrain and then arrest the combative airport trio. In a bizarre twist, they reacted by blaming none other than racism itself for their predicament. Moral of the story: victim mentality won't bail you out when you're clearly the perpetrator. Ultimately, all 3 of the women were charged with disorderly conduct based on multiple eyewitness accounts, with police disputing their victimhood claims. If you thought these hamburglers were the craziest airport offenders, then brace yourself for more turbulence with our second shocking airport incident.
Have ID? Yeah, of course I do. I'm on an airplane. So, I mean, I don't understand. I'm a tall guy. I mean, the airplane's very tight, so I didn't do anything. I literally took a piss and sucked half the time.
Do you have anything to drink while you're on the airplane?
No, they're not serving any alcohol.
Our next airport debacle features 36-year-old Scott Russell Grandin. Grandin's tailspin into delinquency began on March 25, 2021, as a commercial flight prepared for departure from St. Louis to Tampa, Florida.
704 on 26.
Report them.
705 before. I'll be there just a minute. I'm going to
4, okay.
Hey, so I got a guy on board. He's still got to get his bag because they put him to the front and his bag's in the back.
Okay.
A woman was falling asleep as he groped her up or grabbed up her leg.
Okay.
Then when he got up to use the restroom, he did it again.
Okay.
They were separated. The flight attendant said he kind of gave the attitude of, oh, it was them, not me. I got the 2 women up at the top waiting for him to come off, and the flight attendant said he seemed to be under the influence.
Okay.
A distressed flight attendant summoned police to handle passenger Scott Russell Grandin, accused of disturbing the woman seated next to him despite her visible attempts to sleep.
Hey, sir. How are you today? Do you have your license on you?
No, what?
You don't have your license on you? What happened aboard the aircraft? Huh?
No, nothing happened.
Something happened with a young lady aboard the aircraft while you all were flying.
I don't think so.
Well, she's alleging that something did happen, so. Okay.
I slept and took a piss.
What's that?
I slept and took a piss. That's about it.
Okay, hold on, sir.
Yeah, once you get there, it'll have to be airline.
Hold on. Do you have your license on you?
Am I being detained or what?
Yes, sir, you are.
Why?
Well, as I just explained to you, young lady alleges that you groped her inappropriately.
It's a very close aircraft. I'm 7 foot tall, so she can say whatever she wants to say. I didn't touch anybody.
Okay.
As Grandin denied all allegations, the crew maintained that he had grabbed the victim after she began dozing off amidst the night flight.
Have ID? Yeah, of course I do. I'm on an airplane. So, I mean, I don't understand. I'm a tall guy. I mean, the airplane's very tight, so I didn't do anything. I literally took a piss and sucked half the time.
Do you have anything to drink while you're on the airplane?
No, there's not serving any alcohol. No.
How come they moved you?
I went to take a piss and I came back and they moved me. And I sat there and I was...
Hey.
I can tell you right over here. You want to talk to me?
Questioned by responding officers, Grandin claimed zero memory of the alleged incident, though notably insistent that he hadn't consumed alcohol. His erratic temperament left police suspicious that intoxication had clearly played a role in the incident.
Sir, go ahead and take off the
It was an in-flight incident.
Well, then we'll call out FBI.
Okay.
We'll still gotta take.
Wow. Yeah, fine.
37 and 05 radio. You go ahead and notify FBI, or can you give me the telephone?
So, that's on shit.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys touching me? Are you guys touching me? Oh, it's weird. It's weird how that works. That is 45.
Here you go.
You stop touching me, dude.
You're being patted down, sir, okay?
Oh, I'm being patted down. It's got an airplane. What do you think I'm going to cover? Carry a bomb? We're going to carry a wig for your fat bald head? Okay. Fucking piece of shit. Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to take off my mask here. Hold on. I can't breathe. Hold on. I can't breathe. Oh my goodness. I can't breathe. Take my mask off. Yeah. Yeah. You see what you're doing to me? You're doing this, pig.
No.
You're doing this, pig. You're doing this. You calling the FBI? Because you're black? Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
As the interrogation continued, Grandin resisted officer instructions multiple times. His aggression escalated dramatically, even daring cops to charge him with crimes while he kept ridiculing police. But Grandin's defiance would backfire badly.
Everything's about me, bro.
No, hey, guess what? You put the handcuffs on me, didn't you? You're doing your
Let's
job.
go.
You're doing your job. I can't walk. My hands are down.
Hey, come on.
I can't walk. My hands are down. No, I'm going to fall and hurt myself. You're going to be trying to charge me with assault.
Come on, sir.
No,
Let's
pull
go.
my pants up.
Let's go.
Pull my pants up. Pull them up.
Let's
go. No, I can't. My pants are down. I don't feel safe. Pull my pants up.
Come on, let's go.
No, pull my pants up. I don't feel safe walking downstairs with my pants down. FBI is coming. Woo-hoo! Hold on.
Come on.
Take this. Hold on. Why am I being arrested?
Sir, I tried to explain it to you. You didn't want to hear it.
Why am I being arrested? I haven't made
Have a seat. Have a seat.
You guys are cute.
Have a seat.
I stuck his phone in the side pocket.
Okay.
Given the victim's statement as well as Grandin's aggression towards authorities, he was arrested then taken into custody upon landing in Tampa, Florida. The Federal Bureau of Investigations even took interest in the disruptive airline episode that diverted staff resources. Scott Russell Grandin was indicted for abusive sexual contact aboard an aircraft, serving 22 months in prison with probation and registered as a sex offender.